Today we're out kicking off our elderly assistance program that we have. This program is to assist anybody in the city of Pharr that might need assistance. It's not just for the elderly. So if you know of anybody that needs assistance with mowing, cleaning their actual property, please reach out to us. What we recommend is contact our office. There is some items that you have to meet. Once you meet those items, the code officer will come to location. We'll assess it. We'll see what type of resources we need, and we'll come out here and we'll gladly help our community.
Some people are of an age where they can't do it themselves anymore. Their children have moved away. They either lost a spouse and they're the only provider in their home. And no fault of their own, they need some help, and Pharr is here to help. As has been stated already, the program is here to help people who are elderly and in need. It will be continuing year-round to help you guys out. Please don't hesitate to call us. We're here to help you. We want to be sure everybody's taken care of. We are acutely aware this is your kingdom, your home. Everything in the property is yours. You worked all your life for it. We entirely understand. So in the end, Pharr is just showing some love to his residents that they really desperately need and deserve. So thank you for allowing us to come into your home. Thank you.
We reached out to Mr. Frank Nunez, and Frank Nunez got us some volunteers from the Lions Club. They were out here earlier, and we thank them for coming out here and helping us. We have our assistant chief here too from the police department, Mr. Robles. So thank you, Mr. Robles, for coming out here. We got our commissioner, and we got a lot of people, out here. But more importantly, it's the city of Pharr, and it's Team Pharr. Okay, it's one city, one team. So if you need any assistance or you want some information regarding this, please call us at 956-402-4242. Thank you.